My name is Dr. Priyanka Navale. I am owner of World Class Dental Clinic, which is located in Pune on FC Road. So today I am going to talk about whether teeth whitening is permanent. The teeth whitening is most commonly done in our clinic. We do it with the help of laser. There are two types of teeth whitening: chemical teeth whitening, and one is enhanced by with the help of laser, that is laser teeth whitening. So most of the patient before starting the procedure, they ask us whether it's permanent. So simple answer to this commonly asked question is no, it's not permanent. Okay, it will last from 6 months to, you can consider, up to 3 years, depending on few factors. There are certain factors to be considered whenever we are talking about the teeth whitening results, how long it can last. So first thing, it will depend upon type of staining, whether it was intrinsic stains and or the extrinsic stains. Second, the intake of the drinks which are you are taking frequently, like the intake of coffee, tea, sodas, then again red wines, smoking. All those factors can affect your teeth whitening result. If you are taking these things very frequently, your teeth whitening result won't last that long. So how to maintain your teeth whitening results for longer duration? After teeth whitening, we ask our patients, start brushing your teeth twice or thrice in the day, so that whenever you are eating something, most of our Indian food contains turmeric also. So whenever we are eating our food, regular food, meal, that time if we are brushing our teeth, then it will help us to last those results for longer duration. Second thing, we ask them to use flossing also, because interdentally also some food getting stuck, it will increase the bacterial growth, acid production, and again it will cause the staining. Even the plaque accumulation, later on it get converted into the calculus and it can affect the shade of teeth. So these are the few things. And another thing, if it is not at all feasible for you to brush twice, thrice, at least every time you are eating something or drinking tea or coffee, try to have a sip of water, so that whatever milk or whatever products, whatever food particles accumulated inside your mouth, it will wash away. So it will help to maintain those teeth whitening results for longer duration. So this is the simple answer to commonly asked question, whether teeth whitening is permanent. No, it's not permanent. You have to do it after a span of certain years to maintain that whiter and brighter smile. Thanks for watching my channel, guys. Bye bye, take care.